happy Sunday. I hope you guys are having a great day. And today's group play, but first I'm going to start with my watch hours. This week I got 2,308. So I can color in another play button. Thank you for everyone that's been watching my playlist. And I still have a little bit more to go. I'm hoping to get there before Christmas would be awesome. Or at the beginning of the year. That's all I need left, are those hours. And now to group play. First, if you guys want, I don't know if you saw my community post, and I made this turkey Thanksgiving roll and save, and I was watching, I think, Prop Budgets, I think. Well, she's in Canada, and I'll link her below. I was watching her video, and she's in Canada, and she mentioned that Thanksgiving is actually in October in Canada, and I never knew that. So I'm gonna start this roll and save. Was for my November group play, but I'm gonna start it today. So it's in my Ko-fi shop if you guys want to go download it and save along with me. And first up is Elianor's group play, and we'll do this top one. Oh, I have like $26. I didn't count it. There's a 5. And then next up is Elaine Realizes Wood and Winter's scratch off, or group play. And I hope there's not more high numbers. Let's see. 8. Let's see. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And I've been doing the back, I've been adding $2. So 1, 2. And then next up is my friend Gracie, Grammy's Journey. And I'm going to do this one down here. $6. I'm getting a lot of high numbers. Oh, they're high for me this week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I hope I don't get a 6 on my roll and save. And then here's my, I guess, October, November group play. And roll a die. 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. So, like, initially I made this for like 4 weeks of November plus 2 bonuses, but if you guys start it this week or next week, it should be all in line for 6 weeks. And let me see if I have extra money. Here's some, oh. Here's 2 more. I'm gonna try to start my scratch off. This is just a scratch off. It's not a group play. It's one I made. And it's a happy birthday scratch off. And it's in my Etsy. Um, let's do this one. Oh. Let's see if I have enough. I still need to get a vacuum and a dice tower. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's all the money today. But I'll be back for Monday minis. And that's all I have for today. I hope you guys have a great weekend, or the rest of the weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Bye.